Hello everybody. Right now we are in Bromo village. This morning we woke up at 3 a.m. We hiked volcanic mountain. It was amazing. So that was the previous video. And today we will be continuing our trip to see some beautiful waterfalls. We're checking out from this hotel now. Look at the view. This view was amazing. We are doing this whole tour with a tour company. I will be linking it in the description, and I think we need to check out now.
Now we got a 1 hour road until the waterfall.
Okay, we just parked here. Our motorbikes are ready for me, for Hector. We're following him to the waterfall. Madakaripura. We switched to the phone. Everyone was trying to sell rain jackets to us, but we're gonna try not getting one. So our local guy got my bag, and I have this with my phone. We'll see. We're ready to get wet.
2 seconds later.
So wet. Oh my god. It's fucking cold. Oh my god. This looks great. This is crazy. I don't know what to say. It hurts my shoulders when I'm under this. Ah! I didn't realize that it was that cold. Oh my god, there's a pool. There's a freaking pool. So cold. And I'm walking through here right now. And we just learned that this pool, this little pool, is 20 meters deep. 20 meters deep. Crazy. This is where we came from. Yes, I agree. This tall waterfall is
200 meters high, and it's the second tallest in Indonesia.
okay, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm ready to go. As sad as it is, I'd like to stay here for a long
It's a
time.
little chilly now. Yes, we left. We left Madakaripura, and we're gonna take the motorbike back and continue our journey for another waterfall. But we will be visiting that waterfall tomorrow. We're gonna get a hotel next to it, and the tour company is like arranging everything. So now we're just gonna change. We're so wet.
And then embark onto a, was it 4 or 5 hour car ride to
Yeah.
the next destination.
We got some ayam nasi goreng. How much? 20k. I was expecting a highway.
Yeah. That's insane. And so after that, they all decided to go to the city. Oh, sheesh. The volcano erupted a couple years ago, and this whole area just got covered in ashes. And all the houses were destroyed, as you can see here. And so eventually, the whole village kind of got abandoned. A few stayed behind, but they all went to the city to go try to find just a better, more safer life. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
But now it's cloudy. If not cloudy,
Yeah.
you can see the Semeru mountain on the right side. It's a very
Oh, you can see it on the right there?
If not cloudy,
Oh, but it's cloudy today. Yeah, yeah.
cloudy.
Did lava come down?
The lava come down, but just only the area of the mountain.
Okay.
And then do you know the eruption like the sun is until to Bali.
Set up to Bali.
Until to Bali.
Oh my god.
So before this river is not mining. Do you know mining?
Oh
Mining
wow.
of the sun?
Yeah, yeah.
So after eruption is the mining of the sun. It's not the sun. There's only river before.
So all this sand came from the eruption.
Uh-huh.
Oh wow. Made it. Yeah, are we coming back through this road again tomorrow?
Yeah. Same road.
If you can't tell, those are two boats on top. Those are two long boats. Oh, and there's more. Oh my god. Hey! Bule!
We heard our
Bule bule. That means foreigner in Indonesian.
Hector slept a little. Not me. I feel very tired now. I don't know, I also feel psychologically sick. New hotel. I'm so tired. That's cute. Number 3. I'm so tired. My legs are hurting too. Okay, we're gonna eat some chicken soup. See you there. Some sandwich. And some
I got nasi soto ayam
peaches.
campur, which is
Chicken soup with rice.
with rice in it.
Yes.
Look at the rice, look at the rice. There's the rice, there's the rice.
It's been a while since I didn't eat a sandwich.
Well, you just wanted tomatoes.
Yeah, I got it for the tomato.
As soon as you heard tomato and cheese, she's like, okay, I'm getting the sandwich.
Yeah. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
I asked for 2 full tomatoes.
Yeah, show me how you asked. I want to see.
You shouldn't see
Can I get 2 full tomatoes? We can pay for it. I really miss eating tomatoes. It would be really great if you could slice it.
Yes.
Yes. So that's good. You got your tomatoes. And I know that you're gonna cut out the little green part.
Of course. Whew, we're in the room. It's currently 8 p.m. And I think we're gonna sleep soon. And tomorrow we need to be awake at 7 a.m. for the waterfall. So I will see you at 7. I hope I won't be tired. Bye bye. Good morning. We are having breakfast now. And I think I'm officially sick, unfortunately. And yesterday we extended the tour 1 more day. So I'm questioning. But yes, I think I can do it. I don't know, because my throat hurts. My nose are, I can feel there's shit in it. And my ears are popping. You never understand that, but. And I said my throat. Oh, that's it down, I guess.
Yeah. I think you got a cold.
Yeah, I think I got cold.
It was very cold on the mountain.
Yeah. The jacket was pretty good, but like in the hotel I was cold too. I hope it doesn't get worse. I got some chicken
Some nice
soup.
warm lemon tea.
Yes,
Which
pure.
should be good.
So we stayed in this hotel and we're actually walking to the waterfall. I thought we will drive.
Panorama 10 minutes,
Okay.
and go down in waterfall.
Okay.
25 minutes. Next, go to cliff.
Oh, cliff.
Cliff Nirvana.
Okay.
All destination 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm wearing shoes. Hector is wearing flip-flops.
Yeah.
I also brought my flip-flops, but I think it's safer with the shoes. But at the same time, because we're gonna walk in the river, I might switch it to the flip-flops later on. Because we need the shoes for tomorrow's hiking. Snake fruit. Looks like this.
What do you think?
There is something in it, right?
Yeah, pip.
I like it.
No.
Wait, it's,
Apple a little. Like a sweet apple, like green apple.
yeah, it is similar to
Like
something.
apple a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tumpak Sewu panorama. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
This doesn't look real again.
Oh my god. That's insane. Oh my god. It's
very cool.
So wide. It's
Yeah.
Whoa, it's like a wall of. Oh my god.
Some photo shoots again with our local guide. He knows the perfect angles. There is no one here. It's just us. Okay, now we're going to the base and it's gonna take 25 minutes. We'll see how safe it is. Okay, nice steps.
It's so steep.
Okay, switch to flip-flops. I didn't understand where we were gonna walk. We are literally walking with the waterfall. Oh my god, it's so hard. What is this?
How was that?
It's so hard. How did you do it?
I don't know, it's alright.
We're already there. I'm almost there. I didn't know it was like this.
There we go. It looks so small compared to this massive landscape.
So funny the entrance is here.
Yeah, right?
This was the hardest hike down. The waterfall looks pretty amazing. But like, we saw it from the above too. You know, we saw it from up here too.
I disagree. It's cool from down here.
My hands are dirty. This was a hard hike. What do you think?
It wasn't that hard, I think it was pretty fun.
Yeah, like they're doing it so easy and I'm always using my hands when I'm hiking down. I didn't understand. So we're not going down there. I don't think I want to go down there.
Yeah. On to the next destination. We're gonna walk downstream and there's like a pool or a slide or something, so...
Oh yes, it's not over. Through the waterfall. We climbed through the waterfall. We are in the waterfall. We are in this top now. There's a cave here. Hector's gonna climb there. He's gonna go around here. But I didn't go because I'm done with this. We saw the nicest waterfall. I don't know. I'm happy. I don't want to risk it more.
2 seconds later.
I'm climbing as well because it looks like a very nice cave. Yeah, it's crazy that there's a cave here. Now we're going back, finally back to stairs. And I thought there was gonna be stairs all the time in this hike, but no. I think this is gonna take like 30 minutes. So I will see you in the hotel. Okay, we're back in the room and we have 6 hours drive ahead of us. Tomorrow we will be waking up at 1 AM and hike another volcano. So I feel less sick. I think I will do it and I will leave it for another video. Okay, we gotta go. See you. Bye bye.